All right, we're in week 4. School has just started, so hopefully I have a little bit more time to spend on this. So I'm in the office working away. Uh, this was kind of last week. Just went over on a bandsaw and created this form based on the quick sketch. So no CNCing on this. So I attached it with some real quick clamps to see if it would work. And as soon as I put it on, I realized a big mistake that this kind of handle needs to be kind of attached to the bottom. The very top is on a Lazy Susan. As you can see, it gets up close. That's what's swiveling on its head. So that needs to be free from the puppeteer's movement so it can rotate on its own accord. But not gonna lie, it was kind of fun kind of pushing it around. It felt like a mop or something like that, moving a mop around. All right, so this is again last week too, just kind of catching up over the weekend, testing this out, pushing the load. I was just slowly adding weight to it. This was about the max, 6.3. I had it run for a couple hours. And then I added some wood that was 9.6 pounds, and then it really had a hard time with the motor, not the gearbox. So over the weekend, I bought some more motors that were geared. So these, hopefully with the right amperage, will work. Did a real quick test on the format in which it needs to be seated. It's a little bit different head versus the screws on the motor. It's actually screws are on the top of near the gears. So anyways, these are the stats on it and so forth. So really quickly, I bottled it this morning and it's printing as we speak. This is a little bit new, improved, a little bit wider, so you can get in there and have access to the screws and so forth. So then I'm moving on. Over the last week, I worked on the touchable surfaces and also the lights. So we're kind of interweaving with the touchable surfaces. Hopefully as you touch it, a light will go off. So we had bought 2 different types of light strands. I really like this one, but it seems like a lot of extra wires. I like the glow. It's really, really nice. The only bad thing was really very fragile. It actually broke several times in my hand. I like this system, being able to solder it, cut it. Seems a lot more durable, but it came out red, I think, just because we don't have it programmed correctly. So this was some cool stuff I saw. This was, I think, CES conference or exhibition. These are conductive materials. So this is something we could think about instead of doing the bare paint thing that I'm doing. This could be probably a good idea. All right, so I'm moving on, working on the scent canisters. So just really quickly, just set up a real quick print and hopefully have that running by this week. That's it. That's all I have.